so the first side-by-side we're looking at is a 2019 Can-Am, and I'm with Tyler, the owner. And what we'll do first is kind of just have him talk about it. I mean, first, I don't know a lot of the model numbers, so can you kind of tell us exactly what type of Can-Am this is?
Sure, yeah. So this is a 2019 Can-Am Turbo R XRS. Got some things done to it. For starters, we got a CT Raceworks gusset kit, shock tower brace with their billet bracket in the front there. We got ibex springs. We got a set of Sandcraft Nomad wheels with their Mohawk fronts. Moving on that.
Just a second. That's gonna be really loud. All right, so Mohawk fronts. Okay,
Mohawk fronts, yep. Moving on back, we got a cage from RSK. Pretty much as low as you could go, or what they'd let me anyway. RSK doors.
Is there an advantage to going low with the rack or sorry the
I
cage?
mean, not really. I wouldn't think so.
Okay.
It's just for me, it looks.
Just looks
cool.
Okay, I agree. It looks awesome. That's for sure. Are these mounts for whips right here?
They are.
Okay.
They would be on there if I didn't leave them at home.
Okay, fair enough. Nice. All right.
Seats are in the lowest position. Again, just help with the cage height. We got a set of rugged radio headsets in there. This X3 is on a standalone M-Tron unit.
Okay. Can you explain a little bit what an M-Tron unit is for people
so
that
it's
don't
just
know?
we got rid of all the factory ECM.
Okay.
And so we got a standalone in there, which makes it a lot easier to tune, which you'll find out why we need that here in a minute.
Well, I guess let's just get to the part why then.
Yeah, so right in the back here, we got a mildly built motor. We got Carrillo rods, Carrillo pistons. We got a HO intake cam out of a Sea-Doo Spark. The head's been poured and polished. It's got 1+ millimeter valves and exhaust valves on it, intake and exhaust. Kibble white valves, kibble white springs with the titanium keepers. It's got 11 millimeter head studs, and then other than that, the block is just factory.
Nice.
This motor is pushing 42 pounds of boost.
Woo!
It made 403 at the hub.
Okay. I had no idea side-by-sides could put out that kind of horsepower, so that's crazy. Nice. Okay.
At the time when I got this clutch, this tap clutch, there was only 2 in Michigan that we were aware of. This one and another one. There's probably more now. It's been some time. It's got a STM secondary that's been I milled out on a mill to float, kind of like KWI does or Ibex does with all the stock stuff. Got your just an aluminum clutch housing just to keep it clean. The overall kit on the car is a KT performance kit. Exhaust, intake. It does have ironclad charge tubes with a Turbo Smart blow-off valve. And then it's running a G25 550 turbo.
How many pounds of boost again?
42 pounds.
Okay. Sorry, it's just amazing to me.
It's amazing that it even stays together, right?
Nice.
You got ZRP radius rods and then a CT Raceworks pull plate. And then...
So you could say this is pretty well built then?
Yeah.
Over what would stock be. Okay. Nice.
I mean, it's been running like that for a couple of years. Has yet to really blown up. So the only problem I have is, well, it rips belts in half.
Oh, I can believe that. Now, have you brought this to a drag strip or anything? You got official times or anything?
No. I mean, we were aiming for drag racing at first when we first started the build, but now it's just a dune car.
Yeah.
I mean, they shut the drag strip down there for so long.
Yep.
And it just we transitioned right
kept
over
going to dune
car.
Absolutely, man. All right.
A set of Blackbird SR31s.
Okay.
The Pros, number 3 comp cut. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much the basic build. Nothing done to the trans.
And the trans is held up fine for that kind of power?
Yeah, it never had an issue so far. I mean, knock on wood.
Yeah, absolutely, man. All right, that's so cool. Oh man, that's going to be the next vehicle Dune Report gets is side by side. Not sure what kind yet, but it'll probably have to be a 4-seater for the kids and all.
Oh, right.
Yep. Okay, cool. So last question. What's your favorite part about Silver Lake?
Silver Lake?
Yeah.
Well, just the community in general, man.
Excellent.
I mean, everybody out here is just... There goes Travis.
Could be a little quieter. Jeez.
Right? Just everybody out here is just fun to ride with and hang out with.
Absolutely. All right. Any advice you'd give to a person looking to buy a side-by-side and, you know, maybe riding it out here? Any type of advice?
Buy the right paddle.
Oh, okay.
That's huge. If you've never been to the dunes, I mean, or in a side-by-side period, maybe take it easy. See a lot of people flipping them, so.
Okay, cool.
But,
well, thank you for your time, and man, you got a pretty sick ride here.
awesome, thanks.
Cool.